Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Study Point. So in this video we are going to discuss the answer key of the science section of HTET TGT Level 2 2026 question paper. So let's start the video. पहला question देखते हैं. Our first question is the law of constant proportion was established on the basis of analysis of. So the correct answer will be pure chemical compounds. Option number C will be the correct answer. यहाँ पे द मोल नहीं 1 मोल होना चाहिए अगर हम हिंदी वाले से देखें तो 1 मोल of any substance contains the same number of entities as, so it contains same number of entities as 12 gram of carbon 12. Option number B will be the correct answer. In an atom, maximum number of electrons in a shell is given by, it is given by 2n square. Option number B will be the correct answer. Next question. An element X has an atomic number 17 and mass number 37. Its number of neutron and valency respectively are, so neutrons are 20 and valency is 1. Option number B 20, 1 will be the correct answer. The balancing of chemical equations is justified by which fundamental law? So it is justified by law of conservation of mass. Option number B will be the correct answer. Next question. A displacement reaction will most likely occur when? So the correct answer for this question will be option number B. A more reactive metal is placed in a solution of less reactive metal salts. Question number 97. Rancidity of oil-rich food is mainly due to oxidation of fats. Option number D will be the correct answer. Question number 98. Which physical property best explains why metals can be drawn into wires? So option number B, ductility will be the correct answer. Reactivity series of metals is mainly based on tendency to, so इसका correct answer होगा lose electrons. Option number B. Ionic compounds generally have higher melting points because of interionic electrostatic forces are strong. Because of interionic electrostatic forces are strong. Option number B. 101. Corrosion of metals is minimized in practice by coating with more reactive metal, जिसको हम sacrificial protection भी बोलते हैं. Which statement about carbon compound is correct? Option number B. Catenation in carbon allows formation of long chain will be the correct answer. 103. Which of the following is not a characteristic property of covalent compounds? So option number B. Generally insoluble in organic solvents will be the correct answer. Soap and detergents differ mainly in that soap is biodegradable and common detergents may not be. Option number B will, A will be the correct answer. 105. Ethanoic acid in aqueous solution behaves as. So it behaves as weak electrolyte and weak acid. Option number B will be the correct answer. In a typical plant cell, which organelle is primarily responsible for turgor pressure? So it is central vacuole. Option number B will be correct. Which phase of the cell division ensures equal separation of sister chromatids? So correct answer is option number C, anaphase. Xylem vessels primarily transport water and minerals from roots to aerial parts. Option number B will be the correct answer. 109. The presence of intercalated disc is a diagnostic feature of which tissue? So answer is C, cardiac muscle. In the five kingdom classification, mushrooms belong to option number B, fungi will be the correct answer. Which life process in plants is most directly affected when guard cells lose water? So answer number A, transpiration will be the correct answer. In humans, which blood vessels have maximum total cross-sectional area collectively? So answer will be capillaries, option number C. 113. Nephrons in the kidney primarily help in which of the following? B. Filtration and selective reabsorption. 114. Which statement regarding asexual reproduction is most appropriate? It produces clones of the parent. Option number B will be the correct answer. Sex of the child in human is determined by the father's sperm carrying X or Y. Option number B. 116. An endemic disease is one that is constantly present in a particular region. Option number B. Ozone layer in the stratosphere is crucial because it absorbs most harmful ultraviolet B radiation. In a balanced terrestrial ecosystem, the largest biomass is generally at which trophic level? So it is at the producer level. 119. Crop rotation mainly helps in reducing pest buildup and maintaining soil fertility. Option number B. Rhizobium present in the root nodule of leguminous plants primarily fixes atmospheric nitrogen into usable form. Option number B will be correct. A body moves along a straight line with displacement s is equals to 4t square. ये सब हटा दीजिए, सिर्फ इतनी स्टेटमेंट रहेगी. 4t square plus 2t. 4t square plus 2t. इसको देख सकते हैं, ये स्टेटमेंट सही है, बाकी इसको हटा दीजिए. तो क्या गिवन है? s इज इक्वल्स टू 4t स्क्वायर प्लस 2t. राइट. सो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में हमें सबसे पहले dv बाई dt ds बाई dt निकालना था, जिससे हमारे पास वेलोसिटी मिल जाती है जो कि आई 8t प्लस 2. फिर हम इसमें जो वेलोसिटी आई उसका dv बाई dt करके एक्सेलरेशन निकाल लेंगे. सो जो कि कितनी आएगी? 2 का डिफरेंशिएशन 0 और t हट जाएगा और सिर्फ 8 बचेगा. सो कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन मिलेगी 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. आंसर नंबर बी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. The area under a velocity time graph between two instants represents displacement. Option number B will be correct. A car moves with uniform speed in a circular path. Which statement is correct? So correct answer will be option number B. Its speed is constant but velocity is changing. According to Newton's second law, force is directly proportional to the rate of change of momentum. Option number A will be correct. A stone of mass m is dropped from height h, ignoring air resistance. Its kinetic energy just before hitting the ground will be. So it will be mgh. Option number B will be correct. In a medium, sound travels fastest in steel. Option number C will be correct. An echo is distinctly heard only if the time interval between original sound and reflected sound is at least about 0.1 second. For a concave mirror, an object placed between focus and pole produces virtual erect and enlarged image. Option number C will be correct. The power of lens is -2 diopter. The lens is diverging lens with focal length minus 0.5 meter. The sky appears blue mainly due to selective scattering of shorter wavelengths. So option number B जो है इसका correct answer होगा. According to Ohm's law, the slope of VI graph, potential versus current graph of a conductor represents resistance. Option number A will be the correct answer. Two resistors of 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. Their equivalent resistance is 2.4 ohm. Option number A will be correct. The heating effect of current in a resistor is directly proportional to. So the correct answer will be Option number B, IR square. Moving to next question, 134. The direction of force on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field is given by Fleming's left hand rule. Option number B will be correct. In domestic electric circuits in India, the frequency of AC supply is generally 50 hertz. Option number A will be correct. Which of the following sets correctly list only intensive properties of matter? So option number B, density, refractive index, and temperature will be the correct answer. A solid substance X is lustrous, hard, insoluble in water, and a good conductor of electricity in solid state. Which classification is most appropriate? So option number B, crystalline metal will be the correct answer. 138. A mixture of sand, common salt, and iron fillings is given. Which sequence of operations will yield pure dry salt most efficiently? So the correct answer for this question will be option number B, that is magnetic separation, dissolve in water, filtration, and finally evaporation. Winnowing is least effective when separating which pair? So sawdust or nails, iron nails को separate करने के लिए winnowing will be least effective. Next question. A student adds alum crystal to water and warms it. Clear crystals reappear on cooling. This best illustrates which process? So it illustrates crystallization. Option number B will be correct. Which of the following statements about natural indicator is correct? So option number D इसमें जो है वो correct है. Red cabbage extract can distinguish strong base from weak base better than water. Milk of magnesia is used to relieve acidity in the stomach because it is a weak base, neutralizing excess acid. Option number B will be the correct answer. Rusting of iron in presence of moist air is an example of slow exothermic chemical change. Option number B will be the correct answer. Which one of the following changes is most appropriately classified as a physical change with underlying chemical interaction reversible on conditions? So option number B, magnetization of iron will be the correct answer. Petroleum fractions are obtained mainly by which process at refineries? So these are obtained by fractional distillation. Option number B will be the correct answer. 146. Among the following, which fuel has the highest calorific value under standard conditions? So it is hydrogen. Option number D will be correct. In a blue, non-luminous Bunsen flame, the zone of highest temperature is just above the outer zone. Option number A will be correct. Brownian movement of smoke particles in air strongly supports which model of matter? It supports particulate kinetic model. Option number B will be correct. On heating a closed vessel containing liquid and vapor in equilibrium, which statement is correct? Option number C, fraction of molecules in vapor phase increases will be the correct answer. Which of the following is not a colloidal system in common life? So option number C जो है sugar solution will be the correct answer because it is a homogeneous solution. So that's all for the science section. If you like the video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.